Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by BeautyForever Hair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. This wig was like this out the pack. Out the pack. I didn't use not nail curler on this hair. They did everything, y'all. Everything, mama. I did a little tinting on my lace and that's it. I'm doing all this and the curls are still there. Look, who y'all got working there? Huh? They did this. So before I show you guys how to style your wig out the pack like that, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from BeautyForever Hair. All the specs of my unit, as well as the products that I'm using in today's video, will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. Now, BeautyForever Hair is saying this one is ready to go out the box. Y'all see these curls? I didn't curl nothing out the box. I'm kind of excited. I'm not excited about that left side part though. You know that I'm a right side girl, but you know, lefty is the bestie today. So let's go ahead and get this wig on my head. I am literally in a crunch, like 15 to 20 minutes crunch. So let me get my, where's she at? My lace tint powder that I'm going to be using. Black Radiance Contour Palette. This is the medium to dark palette. And I'm going to do a mixture of the contour and sculpt color. Put that on my brush and then I'm going to put it all around the edge of that lace. On my hand, she looked okay, but she was going to be, you know, she was going to be ashy. So tint your lace to your face or, you know, to your forehead. This is the no slip cap construction. So I should be able to wear this unit glueless. Let's find out because I know my head is big. I'm going to keep my roller in. Okay. Let's put it on, put it over the head, like so. Uh-oh, what did I do? I don't know what I did. We're gonna leave that alone. Leave it alone. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Beauty forever. What? The hairline looks great, the little wispy edges. Who is new in that warehouse? Somebody. They need a raise immediately. I don't even think I need to use any mousse. Hold on, I need a little tinting right there on that corner. I can see it. Y'all see when I turn that way? See that right there? Let me do a little bit of the mix. Contour and sculpt right here. I don't want to make it too dark because then it'll be orange when I step outside. Wow. The pressure is getting what's up? So I'm not going to take the roller out yet because I want to do my makeup real quick. Y'all, it's been 3 minutes. Okay, so makeup is done. Let me just do a little gel right here on the side. Just want to lay this little edge down right there. Get these flyaways out my face. I had to put my roller back in because I had took it out and then forgot I didn't have a camera on. So that's why it looks like that. Let me tighten down this drawstring in the back. BeautyForever does put the lock on that bad boy, so she's gonna be secure. I'm gonna take my brush, just gonna brush the curls a little bit, fluff them out a little bit more. They still in there. Let's take out this roller. Make sure she sitting how I need her to sit. Ooh-wee. Do y'all see what is happening? Y'all. This looks amazing. I could do the little bang if I want to. Brushing it out definitely help with the fluffiness of the hair. That is perfect. Little bristle brush. A seasoned bristle brush. Okay, seasoned. But if you want it out your face, just kind of brush it over like this. Oh my gosh. I also had already put powder in my partner's face. Again, I didn't realize my camera was off. Here we go, just finishing that up. Dust some of that down. Do a little heat up here on the top just to lay that part down because it looks a little humpy. Just like that. Y'all see me brushing this hair and the curls are still in there. Fluffy, gorgeous. Ooh, wait. Do you see the bounce of the hair? This is a human hair silky wig and it's holding the curls. BeautyForever, this really you. I am very impressed, BeautyForever. And in the nick of time because 5 minutes later, Here we go. Let me scoot back. I have wanted a silky wig like this for the longest time, but my curls never quite curl right, okay? They don't curl over and they don't stay. But BeautyForever slayed this. Whoever you got working at that table, listen, keep them on that table. They need a raise. This wig is nice. And so is that price point. So, you know, whether it's you, him, them, whoever's spending the coin on this one, I think it's worth it. You get a lot for this one, and it's 200% density. Where they do that at? Usually not BeautyForever. Hair is real soft, the luster is just right, the texture is actually nice. Y'all know I love texture in my wigs, but this silky one is, you know, she not bad. I'll give you a 10s, all right, yeah. Am I being converted to the left? I still feel off balance, but she cute. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to BeautyForever Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.